Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Now, you guys know how much I love IKEA, so I thought I'd share with you today my top 5 favourite IKEA buys that have served me well. Number 1 is our 24-piece black cutlery set. This is such a great hard wearing everyday set which has worn well over the years. We love the matte black and the shape of these as it just adds something a little bit different to our cutlery drawer, plus the colour hasn't worn off at all. The next piece is our side table that we keep in the living room. This is a little more pricey than other pieces in IKEA. However, I love the shape of it and the fact it fits in well with the rest of the decor. It's also really sturdy too, and overall it's just stayed in great condition over the years we've had it. Moving on to a more affordable item, which is the iconic white clothes rail. At only £7, I absolutely adore this white rack, and you've probably seen this in quite a few videos as it houses all of my current clothes I'm wearing for that season on it. I just love how sleek and clean it looks, and for £7 you really can't go wrong. Number 4 is our beloved grey chair and footstool. Now both these pieces are sold separately, however I wanted to put them in as one as they are matching. We use this chair so much and it's just such a lovely piece I think to add to any living room or study. Plus it comes in a ton of different colours too. You don't have to get the footstool, but we love using ours of course to put our feet up on, and Sully also likes sitting on it and staring out of the window. The footstool again comes in lots of different colours to match the chairs, or you could mix and match if you wanted to as well. Finally, my last favourite IKEA piece is my well-used desk. This is also an item you can mix and match. So the desk comes in a variety of sizes, and then you can choose which legs you want to go with the top. As well as this, you can purchase the desk as one. So this particular desk that I've got, you can get in a few different shade options. I personally love this type of trestle leg as it just adds a bit of character. I've also shared with you guys a video on how I covered one of these desks I have in marble contact paper, so I will link that video down below if you want to go and check it out. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you're an IKEA fan also. I will pop down below a few other IKEA playlists that I have, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I hope you're all well and staying safe, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.